told you on Tuesday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So that's about it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, I have a
Dia,
doubt.
I think any other doubt regarding this?
Ma'am, I have a
No,
doubt.
ma'am.
Yes, Angelina Martin.
Ma'am, in this topic, you have said something about pollination.
Hmm.
Can you explain that the two? You have said something. The two ways of pollination.
Two ways of pollination means one is in the same flower itself. Like, okay. Say like hibiscus. Hibiscus, the stamen and the pistil are in the same flower. Okay. Did I show you papaya flowers to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So papaya flowers, what is there? There are two. So stamen is in one papaya tree and pistil is another. So those who have only stamen, we call it as a male plant, and those who have only pistil, we call the female plant. In that, what is the pollination taking place? From the male plant, due to breeze, birds or insects, they will carry the pollen and it will fall into the stigma of the female papaya,
Female papaya.
and then that female flower will be turned into a papaya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You told that
Ovary,
it is
inside the
unisexual.
ovary, ovule will grow and it will turn into one flower. So these are the two type of pollination. Okay. So when you go to higher classes, you will learn self-pollination, cross-pollination. Self-pollination for one flower, cross-pollination for two different flowers. They have two different things. That is what I talk about unisexual flower and bisexual flower. Since you are asked, you can just write the note about it, not in the textbook, but since these two things are mentioned like that, all the plants may not have stamen or pistil. Only that sentence is given in your textbook. Nothing more detailed. But in order to explain that, I am just giving you, you can write it as a lecture note, types of flowers.
Excuse me, ma'am. And also,
Yes.
you have given the election out of petals and
Whichever you like. If you write rule sheets also, no problem. You write lecture note also, no problem. Okay, this is only for your knowledge. Since the statement is given, some flowers may not have two, so that's I want to give you this. So first type is known as unisexual flowers. Unisexual flowers. The flowers which have either stamen or pistil. Okay, either one of them. So the flowers which have either stamen or pistil, example we can give papaya. Then we have cucumber. Cucumber is a unisexual flower. So the male cucumber will not give you cucumbers. Only female cucumbers will give you. Similarly, male papaya plant will never give you papayas. Or a female papayas will give you papayas. Okay, cucumber. Then you can pomegranate also like that.
yes.
And lime plant also.
Ma'am, rambutan.
Yeah, rambutan. Those who know, you can rambutan also like that. Male and female is there. Male will
And
grow
then-
like anything. Lot of flowers will be there, but you will not get anything.
Yeah, in my home, I have a.
Yeah. So there is that we can only give you shade. That's all. Okay. So etc. Now second one is bisexual. Bisexual flowers. The flowers which have both stamen and pistil. The flowers which have both stamen and pistil.
And what is the name of the second process?
Second, bisexual flowers.
Bisexual. Okay.
Bi means two, uni means one.
Can you tell the examples of this?
Hibiscus. hibiscus, tulips,
Mustard.
yeah, mustard, mustard flower, then tulips, lily, then rose also like that, rose.
Mostly bisexual flowers are there.
Majority of the flowers have both
Ma'am,
stamen
blueberry?
and pistil, but only thing is the shape and structure will differ. So sometimes you will only see the pistil. Mustard seed, mustard plant flower, if you see it, no, you will only see the pistil, stigma, and the style. You don't see the stamen in it. So that means stamen is hid there, maybe inside or whatever it is, but it has got a pollen grain.
Picture of
Orchid is there.
Yeah, orchid also, but some of the orchids, I don't think some of them will not give the flowers.
ma'am.
I have bought it some orchid, but it is just growing. But I think orchid also have a unisexual, I doubt.
Yes.
It's a unisexual flower.
Some flowers, ma'am. Some plants.
Some they will just grow. Some orchids, I don't say all the orchids, but some orchids, hybrid maybe, I don't know why it is so. It just grow like thing. No, not a single flower will come. I had like that one orchid. I bought it, but and it did not give. It just grow just like other creepers.
Like planting orchid.
Mm.
We wait for a lot of time.
Yeah, no, we plant. They don't require mud and all. No, we can either coconut shell, then that brick parts. They grow on them, but they grow like a wild. At last, I cut it off. So that's it. So
Ma'am,
that is, I bought it from some flower show, something like that. So sometimes I doubt orchid is maybe some are bisexual, some orchid flowers may be unisexual. There are varieties are there, no varieties are there. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am, so for reproduction, flowers are needed, right?
Flowers are needed, then only that stamen and pistil, all that part will be there. The pollination will take place. If there is no flower, it will not produce any of the fruits.
So how will the plants without any flowers grow or reproduce?
Plant without the flowers grow. That maybe that plant must have came from the plant which pollination did not take place properly. See, I already told you, pollination is not artificially phenomenon. Either bees or birds or insects should do for the plants. So some plants maybe pollination should not take place because it is accidentally by knowing, birds will not take the pollen and put it in another plant, no, because they are not like us. They don't have the brain like us. We can do that also. IVF and like that. You can create even nowadays, even without a mother, you can get the children, no, like IVF and all like that. Test tube.
new technology.
New technology. You put the test tube and then male stamen and the female ovule, take it in the test tube and you can grow the baby, and afterwards you can put it in mother's body or surrogated mother. Some will pay the money, and then some girls for the money also they will grow the babies for that. Okay. IVF. You must have heard no lot of things, and even though it is above your knowledge. See, you are in 6th standard kids. I am not going much detail into it, but above your knowledge, science, technology. But in the plants, and they are living according to the nature. What nature does, they obey. So some of the plants, the pollination may not take place properly. So those plants will not give flower. So naturally, the plants we cut from that one will not give you any flower. That's it. Okay. Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, I have planted one plant, a tomato plant, and it gave us some flowers, but it didn't give us fruit, tomato.
There will be the small flower. No. There will be small yellow. It is more or less like leaf-like.
On
It
the
looks like
flower,
steak.
but they will
Ah.
not give us fruits, ma'am. They will
Ah.
just bring
And in
flower
tomato
and
also is a unisexual. There will be male tomato and female tomato. Some tomato plant will only give you flowers. The small stamen, like not stamen, sepal. Their flowers are just like a
Ma'am,
sepal.
so
Sepal and
pollen
petal
grains is
together.
inside the anther.
Huh?
Pollen grains is inside the anther.
Yes, yes, inside the anther.
Excuse me, ma'am. If it is
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, is it necessary for ovule to have ovary to have ovule?
Yeah, otherwise what is the function of ovary? Otherwise there is no use of ovary. Okay, ovary is the
Okay,
male,
ma'am.
female product where the pollens will fuse together and it will give you a seed. Okay, like papaya,
Before
how the
fusing,
seeds are grown.
before fusing, will it have ovule?
Yes, yes, it will be formed ovules, then only the seeds will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So any more doubts regarding this? Okay, so this is about the flowers. So I'm going to give you another thing to have a easy study for the parts of male productive and reproductive part.
ma'am, can you give a lecture note of petal and a flower you give, ma'am?
In the printed note, it is not given. Shreya, petal and
Yes, ma'am,
sepal.
that's
I
the
must
number
have given, I
lecture
think.
note.
I must have given that in the
Ma'am,
printed
lecture
note.
note.
ma'am,
No, ma'am,
1 minute.
ma'am, if you can show it, you just take the screenshot, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Huh? Let me take a slide.
ma'am, flower is not this thing which we see. It has a lot of talks.
What you are saying? I didn't get you.
When we see flower, we mostly take it and put something our hands in that. But when we see about see like ovaries and ovules. Excuse me, ma'am.
Something you are saying, I can't get you. What are you trying to
Excuse
say?
me, ma'am.
Okay.
And he is telling.
Excuse
See,
me, ma'am.
children, at present now I want you to write. This is at a glance, it is very easy for you to understand. So this is a definition of it that you can copy this. Okay. Make it two columns, parts of stamen, parts of pistil. So you can write the heading, difference between stamen and pistil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is easy for you to memorize. Forget about the picture because the same picture I have given you separate slide. To understand that there are pistils and stamens also separate.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Screenshot.
Yeah. Those who want, they can take the screenshot.
ma'am,
I don't know, my throat is scratching, so I am doubting.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And next month we have a science Olympiad, and I bought a science Olympiad book, and there are many points that are not in the textbook.
Science Olympiad children, you first learn what is in your 6th standard book, and also you have to have some general knowledge. Okay.
Ma'am, that's why I bought a science Olympiad.
Yeah. So learn that because I have nothing to do with it because this is something extra. Some of the agencies are coming to the school and they are doing the science Olympiad for all the schools. So that is you learn your textbook first, 6th standard.
Excuse
then
me, ma'am.
Everything one word answers and something extra you go through that one. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and when I was studying in the first chapter, we just learned what type of foods and herbivores, carnivores, and everything. But in that, they were telling about parasites, bacteria, and all.
Parasites allow different types of species, microorganisms. Parasites are different type of plants. They climb cuscuta. Amarbel we call them.
And they also told mosquitoes also a parasite.
Yes, yes, yes. You know why it is no? Your science Olympiad also included 7th standard portion. The parasites, then mosquito all come under that. Insectivorous.
Ma'am, what are you talking about, ma'am? Science?
He is asking about his science Olympiad. He has given the name. So he's asking something related to that. So
Ma'am, where is that?
science
What-
Olympiad also you are to just go through what is in the 7th standard, because it is something for the certificate and all, no. So they don't only stick to the 6th standard, they'll stick to 7th standard book also. Okay, someone's TV is on. Srishankar, is it yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's unmuted.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Ma'am, no
Proceed.
TV. It's from computer.
My father. Okay, that may be the
Yes.
sound. Okay, now you can mute it, no? You finish your talk. Okay, children, so that is anther, the part of the stem and where pollen is produced. Filament, the filament is a stalk that connects to the anther. Pistil, it is a long slender stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary. It is a sticky platform at the top of the style where pollen is deposited. Ovary, the enlarged basal. Basal means it is like a flask-like structure, the pistil. That is why. Basal portion of the pistil where ovules are produced. And I also has given 3 diagrams in the thing. With that, you also have to learn the diagram page number 61. Pistils, the parts of the pistil. That also you have to learn to do. Very simple. Page number 61, figure 7.24. Page number 61, figure 7.24.
Ma'am, it's not 2-4, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, 2-4. Yes, ma'am.
Pistil is. Other thing is something is cutting and all that don't require.
7.22 or 7.2.
7.24. 7.22 already given in the notes, correct?
Ma'am, but there is 7.2. There is only 7.2.
7.24 is there above
Now the
activity
activity 11.
Oh, 24.
We don't say
And
7.
Sigma
But
Generally
decimal we should say 7.24.
Yes, ma'am, we have studied, ma'am.
We never say
Yes, ma'am.
24.
yes.
Ma'am, can you please show from the first page
Yes,
onwards?
yes, I
will
will
just take
show.
the
Did
video.
you complete this? Did you complete this,
Yes,
children?
ma'am, I took
No, ma'am.
Okay, Shreya, wait, let them complete.
Okay, ma'am.
You take it, otherwise you take the
Ma'am, we can study all the
Yes,
diagrams.
ma'am, I'm just taking that one.
Textbook.
because this is more
Diagrams.
easy for you to understand the stamen and pistil together. No? So you can see a comparative study. That's why. Okay. The next one. So this is a little more detail about it, the ovary and ovule. Nothing to only see that picture. Whatever on the top is the same thing what we have written in the columns. Okay. So we are not moving on to it. And this is about pistil. So this is the picture I told you to in the book. You have to learn. And see, children, we call this entire structure is another word for your knowledge only, not in the book. We entire stigma, pistil, all this we also call another name carpel. Carpel also the name of pistil, another name. Okay. Another name we will see in the higher classes, carpel. So carpel also known as the pistil. Instead of pistil, we can call it also as a carpel. So this is only for knowledge. So that is about it. Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
can see in this picture, you can see the stamens and the pistil is different. Okay, so both the sides you can see the stamens with their anther, and pistil is just like a funnel-like shape. So due to breeze, this pollens will fall into it and then it will fuse together, and at the end of the ovary, it will produce ovules. Okay, just like a small eggs. So this is about the petals. The colored leaf-like structures next to the sepals are called petals. The bright colors of petals attracts insects. This helps the plants in reproduction. And what do you mean by whorl? That each petal in biology we call whorl. Each petal we call it whorl. The whorl formed by the petals is called. And all together, the petals, we call another word in biology, corolla. Corolla means the wall formed by the petals.
Ma'am, I know Quran.
And could you
Yeah,
please say
corolla.
the meaning of ball again?
Yeah.
Ball.
Wall is the same one part of the petal, we call it wall. That's all.
Okay, part of it.
Yeah. And all the parts come together and it will give you total. Total we call it as a corolla. That's all. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Now this is sepal. So this is what Shreya asked me. What do you mean by calyx? Okay. So the outer green leafy structure in the flower is called sepal. Petals makes the first wall of the flower. This wall is called calyx. That means the first petal or first wall which is coming out of the sepal. So that we call the calyx. Just like a shoot we call, no? From the plant, a new
Yes,
shoot.
ma'am.
Before it comes to leaf, it becomes a small shoot. Similarly, before it turn into a flower, the first sepal, first petal, which comes out of it, rose flower also like that. First you will see small petal. And then in that so many things are come together. And slowly, daily, it will open up. So that first thing, the first baby we can say calyx. Okay. Yeah. Or first wall. And it is, we already told, it protects the flower from bud stage. Okay. So in this, you can see all that. And you can see another extra things are given. Just forget about that. Between sepal and ovary, there's a small part. So that is we call receptacle. And what you call for this middle, there is a vein is going through the stalk, inside the stalk. Do you remember, if you remove the stalk of a plant, take one leaf and remove the stalk, inside there will be creamish thing you will see.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
a
When
stick
we
like
cut
a
the
structure.
leaf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So every flower is having, if you cut open the flower stalk, you will see like a stick like a structure. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, yes.
And you already know that whenever a stick is dried, first its outer cover will goes off. Then only inside part will remain in the whitish color. So that we call pedicel. That is pedicel. Inside. Okay, not outer side.
Ma'am, what
pedicel.
is that recipient?
This is inside part of the stalk of any leaf stalk. There is inside a strong creamish color stick which is connected to the stigma and everything inside the stalk. So that
Yes,
we
ma'am.
call it pedicel. Pedicel.
Ma'am, what is that receptacle?
Which one?
Reciprocal.
Receptacle is the place between the ovary and the sepal. There is a something. See inside the color.
Yes.
Inside the flower, there will be some other color also is there, no? In the middle, hibiscus, and you can see red in color at the middle
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
flower. Correct. Every flower has. Okay.
White
So,
and some more.
it depends upon different flowers. So as I show, look at here. This is a bunch of so many different flowers, gerberas. Can you see in each gerbera, the color in the middle is different. Some green, some yellow, some red inside. So that is already.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
So it will separate the ovary and the sepal, that color, that part. So that we call receptacle. Okay. And pedicel.
We should write this.
No, only for you, and those who want, you can write down. Okay, Sri Shankar, you are going for Science Olympiad and all, you can learn this parts also. So I am telling you, apart from the textbook, there are some extra things are there in every flower. That is why, since you have seen in the slide, I just mentioned. That's all, nothing more. Okay.
And
the
these
word,
are the parts, or there are so many more parts?
so many parts are there. When you go to higher, you will learn little more deep into the flower. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, you are learning only basis. So 6th
Ma'am,
standard
when we
only
see a
basis.
flower, it's only a small thing, ma'am. But inside there are so many things.
So
Maybe
just
first
like
standard and all is just a small thing.
that is why now 4th standard you learn about 2 parts. When you come to 5th standard, you learn little more. Okay. So this
Yes,
is some of the flowers. This is why I showed you that Look at the different type. These are the different hibiscus. And there are some of the pictures that each flower has different stamen and pistil and all. This is the mustard flower. Mustard flower, this is, I want to tell you, look at this. What you see, it is pistil. Pistil is coming out, not the stamen. So on the top, you can see the stigma. Then it is connected to the, it is connected to the style, then come
And
to
so
the
it is
ovary.
not the stamen, right? It's still right.
No, mustard seed, what you see mainly is a pistil first. Okay,
Oh.
afterwards only stamen. But hibiscus, what you see is pistil, stamen, everything
Stamen.
connected together. Connected together. Anther is there, stigma is there, all that thing. And this is our cucumber. Look at the flower. That also has a different. Loki means cucumber. And this is
Yes,
Datura flower. I think I told you. These are angel's trumpet.
Angel flowers. Angel trumpet.
Okay.
Or
Yes,
devil
ma'am.
trumpet.
Okay. I think that's the end of our chapter. So, still, Dia, today also seminar not able to do it. Okay. So, Tuesday, I have 4 seminars now. Dia is there, then Shreya, then come to the Cheryl, and then Parvati. Okay. So, Parvati's Dia seminar first. Okay.
Parvati Pavitra.
Sorry, Pavitra. Parvati in 6P. Okay. I got confused all the classes. Okay, Pavitra. Pavitra, Dia will present the seminar first, then we come to that. And also, my dear students, sit and study this chapter for MCQ test. Okay. So read the text, print out. After the seminar, not during the class. If there is time, I can send the link. Otherwise, I will be sent in the WhatsApp. After my class, do you have other class on Tuesday?
Yes, ma'am. Continuous class.
Continuous
Yes, ma'am,
class. Okay.
continuous
So
class.
after
Yes,
that, I
ma'am.
can send the link. Which period is empty? Means we are free. That time I'll send the
Ma'am,
link in the group.
12:30 to 3:40 we are free.
Okay, no problem. That day, let us see how the seminar is going. If the seminar is taking more time, children, you stick to the textbook things. Okay, don't go little more blah blah. Okay, if you go to internet, no, you will see so many other things,
Yes,
and there is no
ma'am.
use of there is no use of that
also.
seminar to you. And some of you cannot even pronounce that words. Then why do you to read all that things? Clear? Okay,
If we
so
go on that part, we have to go so
Ah.
many.
Ma'am,
So
in
see,
internet,
you stick to my class. In my class, what are the things I discuss? You also make your seminar on the basis. Don't go to blah 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 and all. No one will listen. No one will understand. Even I
Ma'am,
will
we can
not
also take
understand.
extra points, right?
Extra points means that is something you can understand according to your mind. Don't go above. First, you learn what is your age have to learn. 6th standard. Because nowadays we don't learn the base. You go above it. That is our failure. Okay, my dear. So learn the base and then we go higher and higher. 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there, 10 is there. You will learn everything. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye, children.